Good morning children. Today we are going to do rainbow terms lesson, class 3 science, our body. So as you know, our body is very important. It is called the temple. The human body is like a machine. It can see, hear, smell, taste and feel. It can also grow, move, breathe and reproduce. No machine can do all these. The human body has many parts. These parts do special jobs. Let us learn about the function of some body parts. Head. We will come across the head. The head, the neck, the head, mouth, neck, chest. Head. The head is the uppermost part of our body. It is very hard. It has the most important part of our body, the brain. The brain helps us to think and remember. It also controls all the functions of the body. So it is called the master organ of the body. So you can understand the brain is like a master computer. You already know when you feed in things into the computer, you get the answer. The same way, this is the master computer for your whole body. It can do things just by fingertips. All the bodily functions are done with the master organ of the body. Next we come to is mouth. Our mouth, which helps us to eat food, drink water, it helps us to speak and sing also. There are teeth inside our mouth. They help us to chew the food we eat. An adult has 32 teeth. Children have less teeth. They might be having 28, 26, 24 like that teeth. And main important, the mouth is very important organ for food to put into our body. So children, I hope you remember what to do about the mouth. You should always learn to brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and the night. Clean up your tongue also, because food particles have to go into the body. You have to send clean and good quality food inside your body. And rinse your mouth after you eat anything. See that you do not eat too much of sweets or something which will spoil and decay your teeth also. So see that you keep a proper mouth or oral hygiene in your mouth. You are putting very good quality food. See that you brush it and keep it clean. This is very good for your whole body health. Next we come across is the neck part. The neck joins our head to our body. It enables us to move our head in different directions. Do you know the animal that has the longest neck? Very long neck. I am sure you must have gone to the zoo. You must have seen the pictures. Which is the animal which has the longest neck? I think you are answering. Yes, correct. Giraffe. Yes. Giraffe animal has the longest neck than the other animals. So next we come across is the chest. The chest is the front part of our body. It is made up of many hard bones. These boxes form a cage called a rib cage. The rib cage protects our lungs and heart. So there is a small skeleton like structure called a rib cage. Inside this you have the heart and the lungs. They are protected by this cage so that nothing will hurt it. The cage is like a, you can say, a tent like thing which is stopping from anything to hurt it. So bone structure is like the main structure which will help the body parts. Main thing what you are understanding is the rib cage is very strong. It protects our lungs and heart. We breathe in the air through our lungs. So lungs are there inside, heart is there, it is protected. The heart pumps blood to all the parts of the body. So as you know, heart is very delicate part of the body. It also protects, the rib cage also protects this part also. So you have understood, heart will be beating every minute, every second. So this is very important function, breathing and heart. These two are the well protected ones. Even the brain also is protected with a skull like structure. The skull is a hard structure like a helmet. It protects your body. Sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These sense organs are the windows of our body. They help us to know about the world around us. So, you are observing things with your eyes, you are hearing things, you are smelling, you are tasting and you are feeling. These are the windows which help you to see the world around us. So, let us talk about the eyes. Eyes help us to see things. They need light to see things. We cannot see in the dark. Our eyes also help us to express our feelings and emotions like anger, joy, surprise and sorrow and many other feelings also. But only those our eyes are also make out some tears. These tears protect the eyes from drying out. So whenever you cut onion, whenever you feel emotional, you will have tears coming out. These tears will help the eye to wash up the area of the eyes and they are always wet. This helps the eye to move. The eyeballs also will help to move properly. So the eyes are very important and the tears help it to keep it clean and prevent it from drying out. Next we come across is ears. Our ears help us to hear sounds. The external part of the ear catches the sound from the air. The sound goes to the internal part of the ear and then we are able to hear the sound. So children, take care of your eyes and ears. See that the dust doesn't go into your eyes and the same way while cleaning your ears also, do not put any sharp object or pin inside your ears. Use a small bud, cotton bud to clean up your ears because they help you to hear important things. Main thing what you should do about your ears is do not listen to loud sounds. Do not burst very high big sound crackers which will damage the ears. So take care of your ears. Next, nose. Our nose helps us to smell things. It also helps us to breathe in air. So we have to put clean air inside our body into the lungs. The nose is the place from where it goes. So you have to keep your nose also very clean. It should be cleaned regularly and properly. Nose has the ability to recognize the good and the bad smells. So I am sure you must have understood the good and the bad smells. When you get nice biryani smell, you will say, ah, nice smell. And the same way, when you get a bad smell, you will automatically hold your nose. So it can tell you the difference between good smells and bad smells. Sometimes you get lovely smells of flowers, beautiful perfume smell. So nose is very important. Try to keep it as clean as possible. Next we come across is the tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste things. It also helps us to speak and sing. Our tongue has many taste buds on it. They tell us whether the thing is sweet, sour, bitter or salty. So you have tasted, I am sure, any sweets, any sour object, bitter things like Karela or Kakarkai and salty biscuits. So you have understood the different tastes which the tongue helps you to identify this is salty, this is sweet and this is sour. So tongue is also very important part of the sense organ. Skin. Our skin helps us to feel things whether it is very hot or cold. So when you touch a hot cup, you can definitely feel, you will remove your fingers. So when you can feel hot, cold, hard, soft, rough or smooth. The skin covers our whole body from the outside. The skin also makes us sweat when it is very hot. So when you are very hot in the hot climate, you start sweating a lot. The sweat helps to cool your body temperature. So this is very important for the body. So all the sense organs are connected to the brain through the nerve systems. The sense organs send messages to the brain. The brain makes us understand the pictures you see, the sounds you hear, the smells you feel, the tastes and the feeling. So body is getting information and messages through the brain. So brain is the master. We get all the information through the brain. So children, see that you take care of your whole body, all the sense organs and all the body parts as much as you can. You want to keep it clean and in a proper working conditions. So to make all this possible, to keep it in a proper healthy condition, you need to do work or exercise the whole different type of body part should be doing some work which is given to them, like hands working with the hand, legs walking. The same way even exercise also is very important for the body. So let us come across to the last point, the regular exercise. Regular exercise keeps our body fit and healthy. Walking, running, jogging, cycling and swimming are very good exercise. I am sure children, you are doing some exercise during the COVID time or during the daily time also. It is very good to do yoga, which is a simple form of exercise which will give exercise to all the body parts. This is very good for your body to keep in moving conditions and keep it healthy. Yoga is an Indian form of exercise. Yogasanas keep our body healthy and in a good condition. They also help us in having a peaceful mind. We should do yogasana in the presence of a yoga teacher. Learn it properly from a teacher. We should not watch television for long periods. It affects our eyes. Give rest to your eyes regularly. So children, whatever body part you are using, see that you are giving good exercise also and giving that body part proper rest also. So you should be able to rest your whole body, sleep properly for 7 to 8 hours per day. Eat the food in correct times. Get up early in the morning. Sleep early in the night also. And at the same time, eat proper food and diet to keep your whole body fit and healthy. So we have completed this lesson. I am sure you will go through this whole procedure, the lessons and the explanations with pictures and understand what is your body, our body lesson. So this lesson will tell you how to take care of yourself and how to keep it fit and healthy. At the end of the lesson, you will be seeing some exercises. So children, after you go through the whole lesson, try to complete that exercise. I am sure you can complete it, and at the same time, you can take care of your body also, keep it fit and healthy. Thank you.